Nationwide anti-polio drive after a 7-month break. Turkey faces a renewed Salafist threat. Police in Belarus detained 442 people at protest on Sunday. Sudan to discuss removal from the US terrorism list in UAE. Houthis are a threat to Yemen, Saudi Arabia and the entire region. Egypt slams the Turkish minister remarks after refusing dialogue with Ankara. Australia daily coronavirus tally falls to lowest in more than 3 months. Pakistan opposition party demands Imran Khan resignation, announces a roadmap to oust the government. The first government headquarters launched in Egypt's new administrative capital. Israel court says a woman can be extradited to Australia in child sex cases.